Welcome back to MSKTV. Learn math the easy way with Susanna and her duck's eggs. Series number 12, Skip Counting by Hundreds. Adding and comparing integers, elementary math, pre-kindergarten, grades 1, 2, and 3, math skill building. Hello, dear parents, educators, young learners, and math lovers. Once again, a big thank you to our new subscribers. This is your channel. Are you ready for another inspiring math episode with Susanna? In series number 12, we are going to learn how to skip count by hundreds, add 3-digit numbers, and compare integers correctly, focusing on step-by-step solved exercises. What we have learned so far. Previously, we practiced skip counting by tens and learned the basics of adding and comparing integers correctly. Now, we are moving ahead to skip counting by hundreds, solving 3-digit addition problems, and then comparing two integers in a simple and correct way. Let's count together. Let's skip count by hundreds from 0 to 1,000. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Well done! As we see here, we counted by hundreds with a step of 100. Note that we can also count by 50s with a step of 50, or by 60s with a step of 60, or any other integer you want. Addition practice. Adding 3-digit numbers. Remember, when we add numbers, we begin with the ones place, then move to the tens place, then the hundreds place, and finally the thousands place if needed. Let's solve this addition problem, 135 plus 254. We stack the numbers so that the ones, tens, and hundreds are lined up. The ones place is on the right, the tens place is in the middle, and the hundreds place is on the left. We begin by adding the ones place. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We put 9 in the ones place. Next, we add the tens place. 3 plus 5 equals 8. We put 8 in the tens place. Finally, we add the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, 135 plus 254 equals 389. Let's solve another example. 626 plus 357. We begin with the ones place. 6 plus 7 equals 13. We put 3 in the ones place and carry 1 over to the tens place. Now, we add the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals 8. We put 8 in the tens place. Next, we add the hundreds place. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So, 626 plus 357 equals 983. Now, it's your turn. Try solving these. 423 plus 175 equals 809 plus 257 equals. Let's compare two integers. We compare numbers using the words greater than, less than, or equal to. Compare 716 and 674. 716 is greater than 674. Compare 480 and 310. 480 is greater than 310. Compare 350 and 941. 350 is less than 941. Homework time. Compare 823 and 382. Compare 223 and 322. Compare 115 and 111 plus 5. Great work! See you next time in series number 13, only on MSKTV. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your parents, teachers, and friends. Your support helps us create more fun and advanced math lessons.